Alright, this is the touch-up paint stick from Hyundai itself. We got the color that matches the car directly from the factory, and it is a 2-in-1. It has a clear coat as well as the paint color that matches the car itself. Alright, on the left we have the clear coat, on the right we have the color, and they also included a sanding stick that can help remove any abnormalities before you apply the paint. Okay, the first step is to make sure it's clean. So we're just using a little bit of an alcohol wipe to ensure that it will be ready to adhere to the paint. The instructions say to shake it for a good minute to make sure that the paint is thoroughly mixed. The next step is to remove any air bubbles from the pen. So to do this, we use the cap, flip it upside down, and get one good pop. Now we are getting the pen activated by pressing down on it several times. You can see the paint is starting to come in. All right, now that the pen has active paint, we're going to apply it. We're just going to tap, not rub or draw, just a little bit until we fill in the space. Okay, we have put on a coat of paint and we're going to let it dry. The instructions do say to let it dry for a while in between each coat if you're going to do multiple coats, and if you're going to apply a clear coat later, to let it dry for 1 to 6 hours before you apply that clear coat, and that is dependent on humidity. Alright, here we have several little chips that are missing, and we've started filling in a few here. And just going down this row is going to make a really, really big difference in how this part of the car looks.